recipe for you guys. Today we're going to be making coconut cookies. So for the recipe, we will need these ingredients. First, you will need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of unsalted butter, half teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of white sugar, half cup of brown sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So let's get started. I'll be using these shredded coconut sweetened. And to shred this, we have to roast it in the oven. The coconuts, I have taken an aluminum tray and I've lined it with wax paper. So I'm gonna need 2 cups of shredded coconut. So this is 1 cup, and I'm gonna put in another cup. And now to put it in the oven, we need to make sure it's around everywhere. So roast the coconut. We have to roast the coconut at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Okay guys, so this is 10 minutes after it came out of the oven. So this is how it should look. It should be golden brown. And if you have it like this golden brown color, it'll be more crunchier. And if it's just plain white, it won't be that crunchy for the cookie. So right timing, our coconut is done. And so now we are going to start making the dough. So today I'm going to be using the KitchenAid mixer. If you don't have a KitchenAid mixer, don't worry, you can also use a hand mixer. And now I'm going to add in the butter. After adding in the butter, we are going to add in white sugar. Along with the white sugar, we're going to add in the brown sugar. And now we're going to mix at a low speed. As it's done mixing, I'm going to add in the egg. And now I'm going to slowly blend it again. Now as I'm done mixing the egg, now I'm going to add in the vanilla extract and mix it again for a little bit. I'm going to take all our dry ingredients and mix it in with the all-purpose flour. And now we're going to mix it together. So now we're going to add in the flour, and make sure to add a bit by a bit, because then the KitchenAid mixer the flour will start flying everywhere. So now I'm going to put a little bit in first, and I'm going to put it down and mix at a low speed. So now I'm going to add rest of the flour. And now I'm going to mix well. This is how the flour should look, the dough, after you mix everything together. So now we're going to add in our coconut. So this is a bit I just took, and we're going to use later to shred on top. And I'm going to add a little bit of the coconut, and make sure not to add too much, or mix it too much, or the coconut won't be crunchy. So I'm going to add a little bit of it in. So now, after I'm done putting in the coconut, I am going to slowly mix it. So I'm going to put it at the speed of 1 and let it mix. So this is how it looks after mixing in the coconut. So it looks amazing. And now we have to put it in the fridge. Taking it out of the fridge after 1 hour. So now we're gonna shape it into cookies. I'm gonna set the oven to 350 degrees for the cookies. I've shaped all the cookies into circles, and now my oven's ready, so I'm gonna put it in the oven. So the oven is ready, so now I'm gonna put in my cookie trays. and let it bake for about 10 minutes. See you after 10 minutes. Okay guys, the cookies are ready, so now I'm gonna try it. It's super good. Make sure to try this recipe at home. It's perfect for tea time, and you don't have to buy any more cookies at the store when you can just make your own. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!